Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've got my sister Chi here today. Say hi.
So bossy. Hi.
We just finished Balayage ombre her hair today, and this is the end result, of course. And let me show you quickly how her hair looked like before, after bleaching, and just from different angles. She's been asking me to do balayage on her for a while now, and it took me longer because I had to do research and use products that are more widely available. My first video was on how to fix brassy hair, and the product that I used in that video was really hard to come by, more like the colors that wasn't available anywhere else. And the brand that I used this time was by Wella, Color Touch instead of L'Oreal Dialite. You can buy Wella directly from their website, on Amazon or at Sally's. And I bought mine from Capital Hair and Beauty here in London, and it cost me about £8 something for one tube, and we used about 3/4 on her hair. I have also used Olaplex on her hair because I was just really afraid of damaging it, and especially obviously with the bleach, and it's not damaged at all. I'm not a professional, so right there, this is my first time doing balayage, and I've had 2 years experience on experimenting on my own hair, and I only dare to start doing someone else's hair now. If you don't like the technique that I use, you can watch other videos as well, but this is just the way I did it, and I find it pretty easy. I think I've talked enough now. Let's get right to the tutorial. Using 2 scoops of bleach, I'm mixing it with 140 ml of 40 volume developer in a 1:2 ratio. I usually also add an additional 20 ml to make the consistency a bit thinner so it's easy to work with. After mixing both to a smooth paste, I'm adding Olaplex number 1 to it to prevent damage. So now let's begin. I'm sectioning her hair in 3 vertical parts and about 6 horizontally at the back. Splitting the first section into 2, I just started painting the hair in strokes on the sides, as you can see, in a V shape. I painted on a little too much hair on my first go, then reduce it in the next section, which you will see. Sorry, my cat is here and it's just Rosie, no biting because she wants my pastry. After each horizontal section is done, I use some cheap cling film to separate them so that they don't stick together. You can also wrap each in foil if preferred. If you get bleach on unwanted places, you can simply use a damp cloth to wipe it off, and it will come off easily. I should have left some sections off so that some strokes wouldn't be so thick next to each other, but only realized it after I was done. Oops! I repeated the same step throughout each section, but painted each part at a different length so that it doesn't look symmetrical. I apologize if I talk too much, but all information is important and relevant to the process that I go through. This is how my sister's hair looks like after an hour when the balayage was done. To tone her hair, I'm using Wella Color Touch Medium Pearl Sander Blonde to mix it with 13 volume developer. This is a 1:2 ratio, meaning 1 part toner and 2 parts developer. Wella Color Touch is also ammonia free like L'Oreal Dialite, so it's not very damaging to your hair. It's pretty brassy right now even when wet, but we're gonna fix that in the next step. After mixing the toner, I sectioned her hair again and just slapped the toner on. As the toner doesn't lighten your hair in any way, it doesn't matter if you get it on the dark parts, so you don't have to be too careful. And after all color treatment is done, I added Olaplex number 2 to her hair and left it in for about half an hour. Here's the end result again, and I hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you subscribe to it, and if not, do it right now.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Why?
What
Guys, I'm not Melissa. This is Melissa.
What were you doing with my subscribers?
I'm going now. Bye.
No, stay here. She's crazy. But at least she likes her hair.
Yes.
See, that's worse, and I'm sweaty already.
I'm sweating too.
It's really hot.
It is.
So, okay, let's do this again. And L'Oreal Dialite, shit.
So say L'Oreal. L'Oreal.
Okay, we're done now. Bye! Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.